Today's video is sponsored by Fancivivi Hair. You know what I'm saying? They gave you this cute box braided wig. It's 100% hair tied with baby hairs all around it, so like 360 style. And it allows for a seamless hairline, no bumps, no lumps, and no gaps. And it's a realistic laced wig. It's silky and neat, and there's no funky smell to it. And you know exactly what smell I'm talking about. The color never fades. It's lightweight. It's not rough. It's smooth, tight, compact, very soft, and it's easy to separate. So if you're trying to do a little updo, side part, middle part, it's all there. It's all there for the girls. Also, this braided wig is designed with knotless large square braids, which can be separated however you want to and can be, you know, put into many different styles. It's perfect if you don't feel like sitting down getting your hair braided for about 20,000 minutes and you just want box braids real quick just for the one time and then take it off right when you get home. So really nice, simple, cute, perfect. They also give me this nice little goodie bag with these lashes, a wig cap, and like the little gold clip things you put on your braids. So yeah, it's real cute, it's real nice, real thrice. And so in these next clips, I'm going to show you guys like the details of the wig and the scalp and everything and show you guys how it looks really realistic and how I got it to look like the braids naturally came out of the girl's scalp. You feel me? So yeah. But like I said, this video is sponsored by Fancivivi Hair. I hope I'm saying that right. And of course, at the end, I'll tell you guys again that all of the hair detail and everything will be linked in the description box below. But yeah. Immaculate wig, immaculate price, immaculate quality. There we go. So we all know that getting your hair done or getting your hair actually braided takes an extremely long time for no reason. It costs a lot of money, and depending on how it's done, it can mess up your scalp and your edges. Girl, we all know they be snatching, pulling, ripping them out. We know. That's why braided wigs are not only fashionable, but they also protect your hair. You know what I'm saying? Girl, your hair is growing up underneath while the style is being shown to the forefront. You know what I'm saying? It's really giving like a catfish kind of quality. People think you really got your hair braided when really, you just got on this nice, luxurious braided wig. You know what I'm saying? So that's why for the rest of this video, I will be showing you guys how I install this wig. I've never had a braided wig before, so this was complete, like this was a whole new process for me and everything like that. I'll show you how I do my edges and how I pretty much make the wig look realistic or whatever. And I got like a lot of compliments when I left the house, so I think I did something right. But yeah, so I guess I'll just be quiet now. Okay, bye. I would also like to mention real quick, I know I said I was going to stop talking, but I would like to mention real quick that this wig install was really fast. Like, this was a really quick install. Plus, these wigs are super affordable. So not only are you saving more time and money, you still look good. So what I'm seeing here is a win-win situation. So girl, go get you a braided wig. You already know all the links, all that will be in my description box. Go ahead and do you.
Ouch. So when they see me, what they gonna do? Up on the couch, back.
Do anything for clout. Anything. Do anything for clout. Anything. Do anything for clout. Anything. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Anything. Do anything for clout.
Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying less on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give up the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I change the score. Yourself said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess he
Then dip me underway. Fill my cup, flow. Hold me till I scream or breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, babe.
This is how I know I was doing too much. Why didn't I not film an outro? That's kind of trife. But yeah, so I'm done with my hair, obviously, because I still have it in. It's the next day, and it still looks good. In my personal opinion, I still look, ain't nobody fresh as me. Yeah, okay, so of course the link to this wig and the website and everything like that will be linked in the description box below. And for anyone who is newly signed up, you can save $20. You can save $20 with code NEW20 when you go through the links and everything like that. Of course, the link and the code and everything like that will be in the description box. So feel free to go get you a nice braided wig for the summer. Save you some time, save you some money, and still look good. So yeah, I'm finna go head out. Well, I'm gonna finish editing, but yeah. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I'll see you next time I decide to do my hair. We all know it's coming. Okay, bye. I love you.